This is your Skywatch 13 weather forecast with Amy Schmidt.
Good morning. It is 8 minutes past the top of the hour. Taking a look at the Topeka Jayhawk Pharmacy and Patient Supply Storm Tracker. Dry across the area, a few light snow showers showing up in portions of central Kansas, maybe a few flurries for our western counties, but everyone else is going to remain dry today. This is going to look much different come tonight and tomorrow as we do have a storm system moving into our area. Temperatures very chilly this morning. It's 21 in Topeka, 21 for Emporia, just 6 degrees in Concordia, and you factor in winds. Feels much colder than that. It feels like 11 when you step outside in Topeka, 11 in Emporia as well. 4 below in Concordia, and temperatures aren't going to improve a whole lot today. We have a cold air mass in place, and winds aren't going to help the situation either, coming in from the north-northwest at about 5 to 15 miles an hour. These winds are going to continue to increase as we go through the afternoon, so even though we're going to see our high temperatures in the 20s, it's likely going to feel like in the teens during the warmest part of the day. Zooming out, national satellite and radar, lots of cloud cover across the Sunflower State. Going to see cloudy conditions today, but you can see the spin in the atmosphere just off the northwest coast of California. This is a low pressure system that we're going to watch dive down into the Four Corners region and east into our region come tonight into tomorrow. Supercast shows what we can expect when the storm system moves into our area. This is starting at 6 o'clock this evening. By 10 p.m., snow already developing in portions of north central Kansas and along the Kansas-Nebraska border. And this is just going to spread eastward. By 4 a.m., everyone's seeing snow, some moderate to heavy at times. By the time you wake up tomorrow morning, some locations could see up to 1 to 3 inches of snow. 8 a.m. Going to be snowing, could be a little bit of a difficult commute to work tomorrow. Roads may be on the slick side, so take that into account. Allow for some extra time. For sure tomorrow, and roadways are only going to get worse as we go through the daytime hours tomorrow, especially the further north of I-70 you go. Highway 36, especially by tomorrow afternoon, likely going to be a big mess. This is at 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Going to see some warmer air nudge up on the southeast portion of east central Kansas. We're going south of I-70, south of the Turnpike, changing that snow over to a rain, snow, maybe sleet mix for a couple of hours tomorrow afternoon. 6 p.m., that changing back over to snow. The commute home is not going to be pretty across the area, so if you make it for the commute home, make sure to allow for some extra time and take caution on the roadways. Like we saw last night, it doesn't take very much precipitation to create slick conditions. Snowfall totals across the area, north central Kansas, Nebraska, Kansas border, 8 to 12 inches. Some areas could even see more than a foot. 4 to 8 inches for Jackson, Jefferson County, down through Shawnee, Wabaunsee, Potawatomi, Riley, Geary County. 4 to 8 inches looks likely. 3 to 6 maybe for Osage County, and then down to the 1 to 3 range for Lyon County and points southeastward. And this could change a little bit if we get more warm air up. That rain-snow mix could keep the snow totals down a little bit more. Winter storm warning in effect for areas in the pink. Winter storm watch for areas in the blue. That's in effect from tonight through Wednesday morning. I do think that that warning will spread eastward as we go into the afternoon hours. But for today, a dry day, 29 degrees, cold and blustery. 25 tonight with snow developing 1 to 3 inches possible by the time you wake up. Make sure you take some extra time on your commute to work. Winter storm watches and warnings tomorrow. Snow south or snow north, wintry mix to the south. A mess on the roadways any way you look at it. That system moves out of here by Wednesday. Cold with a high of 19 degrees, guys.